Which of these factors do not play a role in the underwriting of a life or health insurance policy? Avocations, credit status, marital status, occupation. The correct answer is marital status. Avocations or hobbies, credit status, and occupation are all considered when underwriting a life or health insurance policy. Your marital status is not a consideration when underwriting a life or health insurance policy. Which of these terms accurately defines an underwriter's assessment of information on an insurance application? Risk classification, warranty review, insurable interest, inspection report. The correct answer is risk classification. Underwriting determines your risk classification. The insurance company uses the risk classification determined in the underwriting process to decide if and under what conditions they will issue you an insurance policy. The higher the risk, the higher the premiums. An agent takes an individual insurance application, collects the appropriate premium, and issues the prospective insured a conditional receipt. The next step the insurance company will take is to issue the policy only when the initial premium check has cleared, determine if the applicant is insurable by investigating family health history, issue the policy on a standard basis, determine if the applicant is an acceptable risk by completing standard underwriting procedures. The correct answer is determine if the applicant is an acceptable risk by completing standard underwriting procedures. Once the application is complete, premiums are collected, and a conditional receipt is issued, an insurance company will underwrite the application to determine whether or not to issue a policy. What action should a producer take if the initial premium is not submitted with the application? Keep the application until premium is paid. Forward the application to the insurer after giving the applicant a binding receipt. Forward the application to the insurer without the initial premium. Forward the application to the insurer after giving the applicant a conditional receipt. The correct answer is forward the application to the insurer without the initial premium. If the applicant does not provide their initial premium at the time of application, the application will still go through underwriting, but coverage will not begin until the policy is delivered and the initial premium is paid. Which of these actions should a producer take when submitting an insurance application to an insurer? Issue a binding receipt to applicant if no initial premium is submitted. Disclose to the applicant the amount of commissions to be earned on this transaction. Inform insurer of relevant information not included on the application. Arrange for a copy of the attending physician statement to be sent to the producer. The correct answer is inform insurer of relevant information not included on the application. The producer must submit an agent statement with every application disclosing relevant information not included on the application. This could include information for which there was not a specific question on the application, or information pertaining to a specific question on the application requiring more details. Which of the following statements about the classification of applicants is false? Substandard applicants are never declined by underwriters. Substandard applicants are occasionally declined by underwriters. Preferred risk applicants typically have better premium rates than standard risk applicants. An applicant can be classified as substandard risk because of a hazardous job. The correct answer is substandard applicants are never declined by underwriters. Substandard risk applicants can be declined and are the most likely to be declined or have their policy issued with a premium rating or coverage exclusion. An underwriter determines that an applicant's risk should be recategorized due to a health issue. This policy may be issued with a delayed effective date, an exclusion for the medical condition, an extended contestable period, a concealment clause. The correct answer is exclusion for the medical condition. An insurance company has the ability to still issue a policy while excluding coverage for certain health issues. So in essence, you would be covered for all health conditions except for those specifically excluded by the health insurance company.